Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Nespresso Vertuo red light blinking. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So begin by turning off the machine and unplugging it. Remove the used capsule and empty both the drip tray and discarded pod container. Position a cup beneath the spout. Now plug the machine back in, ensuring it remains switched off. Now turn the machine on by pressing the power button. Fill the water tank with 17 ounces of water and mix it with Nespresso descaling solution. Now activate the descaling mode by holding down the button for 7 seconds until it begins to flash. Then move the lever to the lock position and back to unlock. Repeat the process of holding the button for 7 seconds, moving the lever to locked. Finally, press the button once the initiate the descaling process. The machine will automatically exit the scaling mode after running 2 full tanks of water through. Now truly rinse in all components. Now if the issue persists, it could be due to other factors such as a tightly packed reusable pod or a clogged needle. Now additionally, there may be debris present. To address these issues, remove the reservoir and drip tray, filter, and coffee pods. Hold the machine over a garbage bin and tap it firmly on the sides and base to dislodge any trapped debris. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.